guys, welcome to English 95 and 96 for week 14. I know we've had a lot of changes to our course in the last few weeks, so I want to go over what you need for this week and just make sure that everybody's doing okay. All right, so this week we're going to start working on drafting your cover letter for your portfolio, which we did pre-writing for last week. So make sure that you check your Google Drive folder. That's where all of the changes to your writing are going to be. And we'll go over that in a second. So the first thing is for this week, we've got two things you need to do. Make sure that you complete the discussion board threads on Blackboard and then work on your cover letter draft on your Google Drive. Okay, so two things, pretty easy to remember, I hope. The discussion board threads, there's two of them, as usual. The first one is going to be to read a cover letter example and answer some questions about it. And the second one is just to ask you to write a couple paragraphs about who you are as a writer. This is something that you want to talk about in your cover letter, so I think it's good to sort of get started on that. All right, so when you're working on your cover letter draft, a couple things. You want to complete it in your Google Drive folder, use the pre-writing to help you, and then look for my comments on your writing. Okay, so this is a little different from how Blackboard works, so I wanted to give you a little tutorial on how to see my comments on the Google Drive and what they look like. So remember that your portfolio, your cover letter, and then the two essays for your portfolio are going to live in the Google Drive, okay? You're doing the discussion board threads on Blackboard, but your portfolio is on the Google Drive, okay? And what I'm going to show you in a second is actually these comments and how you can either accept or reject my changes on your writing, okay? So I'm going to go over to Google Drive, all right? When you log on, you should see this, right? A whole list of folders. I am going to show you just an example. This is actually the example cover letter you guys are going to look at this week. So say this is your cover letter, okay? I've got it pulled up. And what I do is I can say, I think that there's too much space right here, okay? So I go here and I press delete, and what it does is it shows you a message that says from me, and it says delete paragraph here, okay? To make that change, you have to click this accept suggestion. You have to click this little check mark. So if you click that, ta-da, it made the change, okay? Here I saw the fall semester was a roaster coaster for me, and I think they meant roller coaster. So I changed roller here. And here, you don't really need fall capitalized. So if I change this to a lowercase f, it'll say here replace big F with a little f, and you just have to click OK. All right, so this is how I'm going to be making changes on your essays. So it's your job to go in here and make sure that you're clicking that check mark. All right, what I can also do is go in and add a comment. So here maybe I might say, can we add an example of a goal here? All right, and then I'm going to click comment. And what you're going to see is this little resolve button, okay? So when you're finished with this comment, say you've made that change, you're going to need to click resolve, and that comment will go away, okay? If you don't click resolve, comment stays there, okay? So what we want to do is once I make changes on your writing, you want to go in and click resolve or click the little check mark on these as you make those changes, okay? So it's your job to make sure that you're checking your Google Drive and that you're making those changes. So just those two things for this week, right? Make sure you call me or email me with any questions. I know the Google Drive is new to us, but I think it'll be the best way for us to stay organized for our portfolio. Okay, so good luck, guys. Have a great week, and I will talk to you soon.